Yawmun, day. Al-yawmu, today. Laylatun, night. Al-laylatu, tonight. Al-barihatu, last night. Amsi, yesterday. Ghadan, tomorrow. Usbu'un, week. Shahrun, month. Sanatun, year. Sa'atun, hour. Daqiqah, minute. Thaniya, second. Lahza, moment. Fardiyun, single. Mudha'afun, double. Thulathiyun, triple. Ruba'iyun, quadruple. Khumasiyun, quintuple. Sudasiyun, sextuple. Suba'iyun, septuple. Thumaniyun, octuple. Tusa'iyun, nonuple. Ushriyun, decuple. Khinswarun, little finger. Binswarun, ring finger. Wusta, middle finger. Sabbabah, index finger. Ibhamun, thumb.